Good morning. ABUS, ABUS is breaking out right now for about 50 cents of risk. ABUS, ABUS, if you want that pre-market. Good morning. Sergio was first, Frank second, Michael Houston third. Welcome, early birds. I fixed my headset, but also it's down to 5% battery. So, I sounded like Christopher Walken. So more cowbell or whatever. Next up was what? Damn it. Putting up these link in bio, Daily Bob here. Or people on TikTok. Somebody asked, "What's my thoughts on skills?" See, like this is what I'm talking about. Crap. Love that guy. Did you ever see the Hawaii Five-0 episode with very young Christopher Walken? Does anybody know what I'm talking about? It's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing. I mean, he was always Christopher Walken. Unbelievable. Anybody who hasn't seen that, go check it out. Right, Stephen? Yeah, I definitely never forgot that. Yeah. I mean, he was just, man, if everybody could just find that. That's what even made like Tommy Wiseau or whatever his name is famous, Just be yourself. If you want to tell people to fuck off, tell them to fuck off. If that's who you are, that's fine. That's all I do all day. Fuck you, and fuck you. Just be yourself. Stop trying to be agreeable to everyone so that you're this vanilla, so that you're this like little vanilla. No one will remember you, Jack. Like RJ, I'm going to get you drunk one night. We're going to go out. I'm going to get you so drunk. I'm going to find out who you are. And then the next day, I'm going to staple down that other shit that you're not supposed to do anymore. And you're going to be a wild man. I'm telling you, we're not even going to know who you are anymore, except we're going to really know who you are. Florida goals. Florida goals, yes. I'm going to get some real estate down there starting either later this year or next year. All right, well, I've got a bunch of stuff up here. As I just mentioned, A-Bus just broke out for 50 cents of risk. Looks like I am, and streaming on every service here. If you're over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come trade with us in our trading group. Why does this keep going back to pink? There we go. All right. I'm going to type in all these tickers. I've already pre-screened everything. There might be some things from yesterday, holdovers. That doesn't mean to hold them over. It's just, we're watching them for a possible day two continuation. Kind of like a IPO breakout. Does anybody know why we try to limit our picks to those that are called blue skies? That they have the territory that's above them has never been touched before, that it's never gone that high before. Why is that? Why do we do that? Well, no ceiling is one. That's definitely a benefit. Yes, there's a couple benefits. And then Emma's got it there. No bag holders, right? No bag holders. Because what happens when you want the stock to run up and there's bag holders is the bag holders want to get out. They don't know, they're ready to cry for mercy, move on to the next stock. They hate that stock now. And that's what happens. And then it just pushes it down, pushes the potential and the progress down. So that's why we try to limit these plays to breakout potentials into all-time highs. and not really going after bottom reversals that are then going to be grinding into bag holders. It'll make more sense to you in about 17 fucking years, but you'll get it. One of these days. You'll get it the day you start making money. Let's put it that way. That. Boy. That's right, Stephen. That's right. That's right. I mean, I leapfrogged you 25 years ahead in everything that I know. I'm where I'm at now. 25 years later. That's 25 years you don't have to spend. A lot of people don't get that. In life. I didn't. I didn't in the beginning. I had no mentor. I had no trading group to join for the first 20 years. I had to figure it all out for myself, and it cost lots of money. Lots of R&D money went into that. Yeah, real estate's super crazy in Florida for sure. Well, all I can say is that you can make a lot of money in the stock market. You just got to be disciplined. I'm not going to divulge how much money I've made in the stock market because number one, it'd be a guess. Because I mean, how much money have you made in the last 25 years? It's like I don't keep track like that, like a cumulative how much money I've made because I've spent it on so many things. So, hard to answer and probably semi private for many reasons. All right. So here's what we're looking at this morning. AFRM has a lot of volume. I'm guessing that it had good earnings. That's what it looked like. ICISEE, same. KPLT, fading though. Tattoo, I think that is, right? Is TTOO this one that everyone was so hot about called Tattooed Chef? Maybe it's not. Maybe that's like TATT. Anyway, TTOO. No, this is T2 Biosystems. Okay. Is up a little bit, like maybe like 30%. But it's a bag holding territory one. So, but B Big is making some good progress this morning. And if B Big were to break 1250, that would be over yesterday's high. Let's see, 2 days ago's high, and that will send it into fresh virgin territory, blue skies breakout. That would be a big deal. And the orders will be really thin, and we might get some halts if that happens. Yeah, Brandon, that's exactly how I think of it. It's R&D. Well, I mean it is, but just remember that you could maybe mix 80% of that into like free paper trading. What is everybody saluting for here? Is this a 9/11 thing? Because I think today's 9/10, isn't it? Yeah, September 10th, but everyone's saluting. I guess it's the last public day. Do you see that there on the TV? So there's something on CNBC about probably 9/11, I think, if that's what that is. If you guys want to watch it, tune into CNBC right now. You're holding B Big. All right. Just make sure you take lots of partial profits along the way at key levels. Anytime it hits a new level, make sure you take a little out. Be shy. SOS just posted earnings. Revenue was 5x their competitors, and it's valued 6x lower. Yeah, it's also highly diluted because they did that share offering, so it can't really move much. So it went from 260 to 3, and it can't do much more because the amount of millions of shares is too high now. They fucked themselves basically. We're also looking at PRQR Play. So Dave & Buster's, that was like around 35 yesterday, and it's almost at 40 now. That could be a good dip buy type of play. Let me turn on the high frequency setup here. RKLB, holdover, GVOS, SONM, FAMI. FAMI is moving. I really don't like FAMI very much as far as like how it trades. It's very tricky. RH, we'll keep watching. GROY, GROY, SPRT, Tiger, TIGR, Upstart, and GANX. And of course, we always watch Apple, Tesla, Amazon. And then I'm watching every sector as well. Now, how the hell did Elliott call that? Oil on the rise from 67.8 to almost 70. How the hell did he do that? Good job, Elliott. You guys over on TikTok, if you haven't already, click the link in my bio to come join our trading group. It's free. He did a really good. He really said that oil was going to be doing that. He said it all week. He started on Sunday. Is info on ceiling breakouts in your course? Yes, I believe it is, Zafir. Yeah, I believe it is. I talk about that. It's not really a course either. It's just a collection of video lessons that I've given over the years, edited, organized, all for your digestion, and just $7. So highly recommend it. I think everybody else, who's done that is highly recommended. It's not very like formalized. Like sometimes you'll see other, what you want to call courses. It's just like this, just me talking over charts. And if I said something good, then we cut it out. And we made it a lesson. Let's see here. Okay. You asked what are my top three. Like ENDP, ENDP, ABUS, ABUS, BBIG. Those shapes look pretty good pre-market. Those are looking pretty good. Yeah, for the day trading, the morning session, yes, I only look for top gainers on the day, and I am looking for a sort of a certain chart, and we've got them. We have a bunch of opportunities here that we're looking at. You see, 9, but I've got 24 up on the screen. You got to click the link in my bio, and then come get like a free trial to our premium service, and then you can join us in the Zoom, and you can see everything in 4K. Yep, Michael, I know. Because it's like you're either a tab flipper, and you have multiple tabs, or you like to monitor more than one stock at a time. And then once you do that, yeah, there's no end to it. So now you're going to have to get a 32-inch 4K screen, and that's the next step probably. Is point A always the market open price? No, Jamal, no. That was about trends last night. No. I think you'll discover if you just look at a bunch of charts and just start doing some studying, Jamal, that you would have found the answer to be know yourself. I think that what you should do is study. 43-inch 4K upgrade, 43-inch. Okay. If that's going to be your only screen, that's probably good. 43 inches is pretty big. You'll be moving your head a lot. That's why I like these 32 inches. Like here's me looking at the top of my 32 inch and now the bottom. And it's only like a foot and a half away. Not too bad. And then I have the top of the next 32 inch. The top of that was a little bit more. And then I got another one over here. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, left, right. Okay. 43 inches. Whew, yeah, you're really widening your space, and you might get neck pain. So just be aware of that. Yeah, this is a 757. Somebody asked me what kind of cockpit this is. So what kind of plane I'm flying here. All right, so we have 11 minutes to the market open, and we're pretty well prepared here. Costco is about 44 times price to earnings and almost 80 year-to-date RSI. I want more, but isn't this too high of a price? No. No. Anything going up can go up more, and things that are going down go down more. Don't ever get caught in the trap of thinking that like when something goes down that it's a great buy. There's a reason why it went down. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to find things that are going up and buy them, and then there's certain double up points. I'm showing it on my screen here, but you're over on TikTok, so you need to click the link in my bio to come see my full screen to see me explaining this. Could be interesting, Scott. Yeah, where is that here? Yeah, 7. What did you say? 44.56. Let's see. Probably going to show up as yesterday's. No, it's not. Okay. Yeah. Well, it is day 2, and it wasn't necessarily like a massively high volume traded stock, so might not have the oomph today that it did yesterday. Let me refresh the market chameleon. Let's see if there's anything new here. Echo. And pretty much echo, and then okay, echo seems to be the only one missing here. I'll put it in place of something else here. Let me take a look at the daily chart. 7. Wow. It's just so off the chart. Oh my God. Holy shit. This might be a really good short today if it goes red. It's a hell of a lot of room for it to fall. Oh, you know what? It probably is a buyout. Let me double check. Definitive merger agreement. Never mind. We won't be touching Echo. Yep, that's what it is. Forget it. The alert on net yesterday, I believe, was an entry. Go look at the freaking alert. I mean, I do this every day. I can't remember. I could even tell you the wrong information. Go find out. Go look into the channel. Mushroom Power, right? FAMI. Yeah, we do. We do have paid subscription services. You'll see when you get in there. Join the group. The AI going crazy? Okay. And SOS. Let's see, where can I put that? I'm going to put it over Restoration Hardware. CEI. No, CEI is not really going crazy. You guys are crazy. All right, we have 7 minutes to the open. Yeah, we will do that. Possibly next week. So, John, you have 1,000 CEI. You shouldn't have 1,000 CEI now. You should be taking partial profits. You should have sold 10 shares at 70 cents, 10, another 10 or 20 shares at 80 cents. You know what I'm saying? By this time, you should have, like 835 shares left. Okay, good. Okay, good. Oh, excellent. All right, I'm glad to hear. All right, good. Then you're doing the right thing. You're doing the right thing. Good job. Regarding the paid subscription, just come join the group. The link is in the bio. Find out. Come find out. Like, if you can't do that, then just forget it. We don't want you. At 75% of your original. What do you mean by that? At 75%, you meaning you're holding 75% of your original? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Lit up on the daily. Oh yeah. The last couple days have been big. Just gotta make sure to be taking profits on it. Until now, where I'm holding 75% of the original purchase. Yeah. Oh, you got back in at 1.1. Okay. All right. It's gonna gap open this morning. If it turns red, that's very bad. Just there. If a gap open that turns red, very bad. So hopefully it doesn't. Lawsuit settlement imminent on. The link is not working in my bio. Well, it does work. So send me a private message and we'll figure that out for you later. Okay, so Camille says you're in Canada, and Quest Trade charges $5 per transaction, $10 for options. What would you suggest? Well, first of all, Camille, how much do you love or like Canada? Let's start there. All right, next. Yeah, that's fucked. You'll never make money with with those kinds of fees going on. I suggest you look into Trade Zero and do a lot of due diligence on that because that's an offshore unregulated account. Trade Zero. All right, excuse me. There's 3 minutes until they open. And what's right on the brink is now over on A bus. If it reaches 4.3, you're going to have to cut that position if you went into that. I know the AFRM is going to have a lot of volume, so that could get pushed up. I'm going to keep that on my high-speed setup. In 3 minutes, we'll be turning off the TikTok feed. Make sure you click the link in my bio in order to come join our trading group. If that link isn't working, just send me a private message. That's another option. Yeah, interactive brokers. They have some international accounts and they're very competitively priced. I mean, you should freaking tell Questrade, like you're leaving because they charge too much in their commissions. But like every communist country, they're just not gonna fucking give a shit. Hey, Canada's not communist. All right, whatever. I'm like, what's that guy? What's that comedian who talks about hot pockets? Whenever he says something, and then it could be kind of contested about, he has like this inner voice that he speaks. Jim Gaffigan, yeah, like, yeah, I would trade CEI all the way to the moon. Does he really do that? I don't know. I think he does that. Exactly. I'm not going to repeat that. What's a good penny stock? I don't know. Right now, there was one that's moving. Where is it? It's called was point 0.8. Everyone was talking about it. Oh yeah, CEI. Hello, CEI. All right, we got 1 minute until the market opens. My headphones are blinking red because it's less than 5% charge. Yeah, TTO is. I'm watching it. That's funny, Benjamin. BCTX. Yeah, I think I have looked at that. Yeah, that's making some progress. Yeah, we should watch that. I'll keep that right there in the corner. All right, 30 seconds to the market open. Ah, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. B-Big is crapping out right at the open. Jesus. How many signals do we have here? All right. All right, you guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to follow to join our trading group. See you soon. All right, Play has broken out. That's definitely one we want to go after. Upstart has broken out. The stop on Play, I would put at about $2 from this entrance. Upstart, UPST, 287, $5 on Upstart, $5 a risk. Fuck AFRM, my God, it's dropping like a ton of bricks. You might want to try shorting that one. AFRM short has a long